Document Control Module. Affordable software with premium performance. Take control of your critical documents with our powerful document control software, designed to simplify how you create, manage, approve, and track your essential documentation. Let's see the key features. Control user access. Set detailed permissions by role, department, or individual. Ensure only authorized personnel can view, edit, or approve document. Digital signatures with full traceability. Sign documents electronically with legal validity and complete audit history. No more printing, scanning, or manual tracking. Approvals are fast, secure, and fully compliant. Version control and revision history. Automatically track every change. Compare document versions, restore older versions instantly, and eliminate confusion over outdated files. Audit Trails. Stay audit ready with a tamper-proof log of every action, from document creation to approval. Perfect for internal audits and regulatory inspections, ISO, FDA, and more. Automated document workflows. Route documents seamlessly. Assign reviewers, set approval sequences, and send automatic reminders. Ensure every document is reviewed in the right order, every time. Real-time dashboards. Gain instant visibility into document status, pending tasks, and workflow bottlenecks. Managers can track progress and make informed decisions at a glance. Create or upload documents easily. Draft, edit, or upload documents directly within the platform. Collaborate in real time with built-in tools and email notifications, all within a secure workspace. Create, manage, and approve SOPs, policies, manuals, and forms with ease. From first draft to final approval, every step is streamlined. Whether you're in manufacturing, labs, or a growing small business, the Document Control Module helps you meet global compliance standards like ISO, FDA, and more, without the complexity. Ready to simplify your document management? Schedule your free demo today.